Virtual Beings News Summary October 23, 2025. CAST's Avatar Garment Motion Model is applied to virtual production, films, short-form media, and the metaverse to increase realism in digital humans' clothing physics, while a broadcaster's on-air AI anchor demonstrates convincing synthetic presenters in news contexts. Samsung's Galaxy XR appears as mixed reality hardware, where avatar demonstrations accompany productivity use cases, anchoring devices that host digital human interactions in consumer media. Krafton and NC Soft showcase CPC, an AI character concept built with NVIDIA to support active thinking and communication, while NVIDIA extends its avatar creation engine by adding the open-source Qwen 3 small language model for on-device AI NPCs in PC games. Event coverage also references Avatar Cloud Engine, indicating a pipeline where developer tooling and model choices enable responsive, locally executed synthetic characters. Shy's Grok supports erotic companion avatars, including the anime-style persona Ani, exemplifying adult-oriented AI companionship, and coverage notes the broader market interest among competitors. Separately, Loki AI enables private conversations with AI characters and is flagged for potential mental health applications, positioning character agents for personal support and intimacy. Soul Machines is listed second in a digital human live streaming all-in-one machine ranking that highlights an open ecosystem with over 200 APIs, a per-call cost of 0.008 Chinese yuan, and reported 50 times daily output gains for county-level agricultural e-commerce, framing digital humans as scalable presenters in commerce-driven live video. JD Technology and Rocket introduce an R-Smart Glasses shopping application that situates Avatar Group smart glasses within in-store or hands-free retail journeys, while Meta's AI Studio adds teen safety safeguards and a planned kill switch for custom AI characters inside Instagram, formalizing enterprise platform governance for user-generated AI personas. Ravatar's conversational hologram of Howard Carter at the Elliott Museum exemplifies museum-grade digital humans that allow visitors to engage historical figures through dialogue, integrating AI with holographic display for interpretive storytelling. HF Human's single image, multimodal pipeline for high-fidelity human reconstruction targets VR avatar creation by improving realism from minimal inputs, indicating a research-driven path for higher-quality virtual humans in immersive systems. CodeBaby appears as healthcare vendor, using emotionally expressive digital humans to support provider-patient communication, triage, and education, and the ResearchGate entry indicates a parallel research track on avatar realism in psychological assistance scenarios inside metaverse environments. Together, these threads depict healthcare deployments where clinician and patient embodiment as avatars or face-to-face with a digital human are tuned for trust, empathy, and clarity, and where the visual realism of the agent is investigated for its measurable impact on therapeutic outcomes. Ubisoft is identified in a research internship focused on improving NPC decision-making with machine learning under data-scarce conditions in collaboration with production and AI teams, while Avatar, Frontiers of Pandora is documented as receiving a third-person mode and new game plus ahead of its From the Ashes expansion on December 19, 2025, and Roblox is shown enabling developers to programmatically surface a player's avatar thumbnail inside GUI tools. Community posts further demonstrate expectations for richer NPC variety and behavior across titles such as Starfield and GTA, illustrating a domain in which studios and creators iteratively enhance avatar embodiment, NPC intelligence, and identity presentation within live games and user-generated ecosystems. Epic Games is represented through Unreal Engine and its MetaHuman creator pipeline, including a MetaHuman-compatible base character by Danny Marty that plugs into UE 5.6 rigs, evidencing a maturing toolchain for realistic and stylized human characters. Convai is cited as infrastructure used by developers to power conversational virtual beings and NPCs inside interactive applications. Eugenia Tech surfaces as a creator-facing brand signaling forthcoming content on digital human creation with references to NVIDIA and VEM AI. Collectively, these platforms provide rigging, runtime conversation, and creator education components that reduce friction in building deployable digital humans and avatars. NVIDIA is present via a leadership statement forecasting enterprises staffed by a combination of humans and digital humans, pointing to front-office agents and internal assistants that operate as persistent, branded synthetic colleagues. This positions digital humans not only as UI elements but as enduring enterprise actors that participate in communication, guidance, and decision support. Named digital humans and synthetic personas appear in production and performance contexts. Marie functions as a commentator reading from the Nadia book, and two high-profile AI clone examples, Alan Hamill's AI clone of Suzanne Summers and Ray Dalio's AI clone concept, Show synthetic continuations of public figures for narration, memorial presence, advisory roles, or brand extension. VTuber activity featuring Iron Mouse and Sea-Dog VA on TikTok demonstrates live animated performance and audience engagement in short-form distribution, expanding the reach of avatar-led media. OpenSim's Ozfest is described as an avatar-mediated festival including nightly game-like quests, guided meditation and wellness sessions, social screenings, and a fashion show, illustrating how user-owned virtual worlds host culture, leisure, and community programming through persistent avatars in shared spaces. Washong Online describes a startup project by two Taiwan youths in Hunan offering AI child clones targeted at companionship for older adults, presenting an eldercare application that uses AI avatars as warm companions and practical helpers. This consolidates the healthcare-adjacent use case for companionship agents without duplicating companies named elsewhere. Tencent Video integrates Hunyuan AI avatars Xu Yan and Shen Haoming as streaming companions on the Tencent Video platform, providing real-time engagement during drama viewing. Channel 4 deploys the AI presenter Aisha Gabin in dispatches to Front Factual TV. Media documents German media experimenting with avatar presenters. New Pearl Group uses the digital human IP Uncle Day to lead a brand youthfulness push and digital intelligence transition in Foshan's manufacturing, and JD.com runs digital human joy streamer across more than 35,000 brands to drive 17 million views and over 700 million Chinese yuan in GMV during Double 11. This section consolidates enterprise branding and live commerce avatars at scale. Cathay Financial Holdings demonstrates an executive multilingual AI avatar for Gaia Framework Messaging, Global Information Company, limited positions and enterprise market intelligence product projecting large-scale adoption and value in interactive digital human avatars. Baidu advances highly persuasive digital human tied to its MCP agent ecosystem for merchant enablement and festival sales, while its broader event slate cites a new generation of digital human tech integrated with AIC and agents. At the Canton Fair AI Trade Ecology Forum, a virtual AI host plus real-time multilingual format demonstrates trade show operations with virtual hosts. Shanghai communities deployed Hu Xiaonan and Shen Xiaobao as virtual digital human agents for community activities and information services, demonstrating the application of virtual characters in district-level governance and public communication. Egypt's Communications Ministry references national-scale digital humans capacity building through awards aligned to a Building the Digital Human strategy. Konrad Adenauer Stiftung explores digital humans for political education through a bilingual workshop, and Wuxi Youth Artificial Intelligence Experience Hall incorporates digital human dressing into experiential teaching, illustrating classroom-adjacent training in avatar interfaces. Fish Audio's S1 upgrade enables 10-second, high-fidelity, low-latency voice cloning suited to virtual humans, intelligent assistants, content creation, and dubbing. Hello Group Japan's Mirai Mind adds long-term memory for AI characters to maintain durable, context-aware relationships. Baidu references a new generation of digital human technology integrated with agent systems and AIC. China Social Sciences Network discusses how social robots and video virtual humans reshape intimacy and challenge traditional ethics, and media's coverage of avatar presenters indicates cultural experimentation in broadcast formats. These materials ground the social and normative dimensions of synthetic characters, without repeating previously placed companies. Hunan is promoting the digital interpretation and dissemination of traditional opera content with its Shang Opera Digital Human, encompassing virtual character performances and popularizing repertoire knowledge. Beijing's South Central Axis International Cultural and Technological Park is using digital sushi to create a natural language interactive experience between historical figures and audiences, centered around interactive dialogue and cultural interpretation. At Baidu World 2025, the company announced a focus on intelligent agents and digital humans, aiming to integrate generative AI and characterization capabilities into content production and interactive entertainment ecosystems as part of platform-level capability integration. In Shanxi, the rise of AI actor brokerage and the rise of digital humans as the new darlings of brand endorsements suggests that brand marketing is leveraging virtual avatars for endorsements, short video promotions, and live streaming, creating low-cost, highly controllable, and reusable communication assets. Ainan Jiafang Ditu, leveraging its Jiafang digital human with intelligent image recognition and AIC intelligence capabilities, is building a human-computer interaction front-end for financial information services, specifically for content production and customer engagement for investment research and advisory services. An undisclosed company in Jiangsu has completed the filing of 7 deep synthesis algorithms, including those related to digital humans, demonstrating the support of regulatory compliance and underlying algorithmic capabilities for B-side supply. Shenxi Telecom has embedded digital humans into its customer service center, covering a wide range of consulting processes and emphasizing scale, standardization, and responsiveness. Alongyang's WOD artificial intelligence technology provides intelligent interactive digital human software and intelligent twin digital humans for shopping guides, human-computer interaction, and industrial/commercial twin collaboration. Shandong Xuan Group has launched a digital human development platform, providing a comprehensive toolchain for creation, animation, and interaction for cultural tourism and cultural institutions, supporting B-side self-development and operation. Suzhou Library uses its AI service platform and digital human interactive large screen to provide readers with search, consultation, and interactive scenarios. The Shanghai Museum's East Building and SenseTime have launched an AI assistant to alleviate peak inquiries and navigation pressure. SenseTime is also playing a leading role in the standardization of XR and virtual digital humans. Beijing Baek New Energy uses digital human factory explorers to explain green manufacturing processes during study tours, embodying the integration of industrial culture and popular science education. Anhui's Jianguai Reading Month deployed virtual digital humans, AI librarians, in Wangshan and an XR immersive experience in Luan for public cultural services. Hong Kong's major events deployed smart digital humans to provide Q&A on schedules, venues, and services, enhancing the audience experience. In Guangxu District, Guangxi, AI digital human one-click consultation provides multi-ethnic communities with Q&A guidance on residence permit application procedures, lowering the barrier to entry. In Shijiazhuang, Hebei, the Shaoxi digital human for government affairs enables chatting while handling affairs, demonstrating human-machine collaboration in government services. The digital sushi on Beijing's south-central axis is used for public science education and cultural interaction, enriching public service offerings. Long-form AI digital humans are here. ByteDance x Zhejiang University indicates that ByteDance and Zhejiang University are advancing AI digital human technology for long-form video scenarios, pointing to collaborative R&D and application exploration in areas such as facial replication, voice-activated speech, long-term temporal consistency, and shot semantic understanding. Communicating virtual fashion, a case study of the virtual collection NeoX 2025, positions NeoX as a virtual fashion case that uses 3D digital rendering, immersive platforms, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and AI to enable the design, presentation, ownership, and circulation of digital garments, focusing on how fashion brands communicate these assets to audiences within virtual environments. The use cases include showcasing virtual collections, enabling verifiable digital ownership via NFTs, and staging interactive viewing or try-on experiences across immersive platforms, with technologies explicitly including 3D rendering pipelines and AI-augmented workflows for asset creation and distribution, and applications centered on audience engagement and brand communication in virtual fashion contexts. Trends and Practical Applications 2025 recommends AI-powered virtual influencers adopt hospitable personas to increase user engagement, grounding this in practice-oriented social media engagement tactics referenced from Silva et al. 2020. Concrete use cases include persona design and content strategy for synthetic characters acting as brand ambassadors or guides in social channels, with the enabling technology being AI systems that drive virtual influencer behavior and presentation, and applications focused on elevating engagement metrics through strategically crafted, welcoming interaction styles. The Impact of Generation Z on the Luxury Market, 2025, argues that Generation Z's immersion in digital platforms requires luxury brands to integrate augmented reality, virtual influencers, and interactive online experiences to stay relevant, identifying TikTok, Instagram, and the metaverse as key platforms. Use cases include our enhanced product visualization, campaign execution through virtual influencers, and interactive brand spaces in metaverse settings, with technologies centered on AR and synthetic character activation, and applications aimed at aligning luxury brand communication with Gen Z's preferred modes of discovery and interaction. To make sure you never miss a new video and to help us reach more great viewers like you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon under the subscribe tab for notification.